Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another daily video. So before we start this vlog, I'm going to leave a channel link down in the comments box below this video. That'll lead right to my channel. You guys can go to that channel link, turn on the subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications. That way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And I'm also going to leave a second channel link in the comments box as well. That'll lead to my second channel, also known as Train Hunters. Turn on the subscribe button on Train Hunters as well, and also turn on post notifications as Train Hunters. Uploads of Train Hunters are every Thursday and Sunday. Not this Thursday though, because it's already too late this Thursday. I wasn't even able to make a Train Hunters video today because we left for Homewood early for Pontiac. So we're gonna be here till Sunday again. But without further ado, let's start this vlog. Now, if I sound out of breath, it's because I just ran away from a whole nest of wasps under this bridge. There's like 5 big-ass nests. I'm sorry for my language, but Jesus, it looks like, it honestly looks like something out of a horror film. I'm not kidding. There's like over 5 nests under that bridge, and they're ginormous. But we are heading down to the Vermillion River for our vlog. So, how's your guys' Thursday been so far? Mine, not so great, because I just got chased by a whole bunch of wasps, and I think maybe I got stung once or twice. I don't feel anything right now, probably because my adrenaline's pumping. But I might feel something later, I'm not sure. I might have been lucky enough not to even be stung, but I do know I got chased. It's on the other side of the river. Wow. Alright. Yeah, they're everywhere, alright. I see them. You guys can't see them, but they're under that bridge and they're swarming because they're pissed. Wow. Wow, guys, look at all that junk that's coming towards the waterfall. That's a lot of trash going into the waterfall. So how's everyone's Thursday going? Mine's going pretty good. Beautiful Thursday afternoon here in Pontiac, Illinois. Sitting next to the Vermillion waterfall. That's just nasty. I don't even want to know what was even in that water bottle. I don't even want to know what was even in that water bottle. Or whatever it is, it looks nasty. Well, that was fun. I hope it was nice and relaxing for you guys as well. There's a Sprite can out here. Throw that into the river as well. God, I hate people who litter. I don't like people who litter. I shouldn't say hate. I just don't like people who litter. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching this vlog, and if you guys want more vlogs in the future, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, go down to the channel link in the comments section below, which I will post right when the video was posted. I will also put it in the description of this video, both links to my first and second channel. Go subscribe to them both. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like, and I'll see you guys in the next one later. Love you all. Peace. And of course, you can't forget it. Bye. Bye, guys.